Hands-on experience. Unlocking the door to practical skills. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting and essential aspect of learning and working: hands-on experience. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone curious about enhancing your skills, understanding what hands-on experience means and its importance can be a game changer. So, let's get started and unlock the door to practical skills together. Hands-on experience refers to the knowledge and skills a person gains through direct participation or involvement in activities, rather than through reading, observing, or theoretical learning. It's about getting your hands dirty, so to speak, and engaging actively with the task at hand. This approach to learning and working emphasizes the importance of practical involvement and real-world application over passive learning methods. Hands-on experience is invaluable for several reasons. Firstly, it enhances learning retention. When you actively engage in doing something, you're more likely to remember how to do it in the future. Secondly, it provides a deeper understanding of concepts by putting theory into practice, bridging the gap between abstract ideas and their practical applications. Lastly, it develops critical thinking and problem-solving skills as individuals learn to navigate challenges and find solutions in real-time scenarios. Gaining hands-on experience can be done in various ways, depending on your field of interest or study. Here are a few suggestions. 1. Internships and apprenticeships. These positions offer opportunities to work under the guidance of experienced professionals. 2. Volunteering. Engaging in volunteer work can provide practical experience in a wide range of areas. 3. Projects and DIY activities. Starting your own projects or engaging in do-it-yourself activities related to your field of interest. 4. Workshops and training programs. Participating in workshops and training sessions that offer practical, hands-on learning experiences. In the job market, hands-on experience is often considered just as valuable, if not more so, than academic qualifications. Employers look for candidates who can demonstrate the ability to apply their knowledge in real-world situations. Having practical experience can set you apart from other candidates, showing potential employers that you have the skills and the initiative to tackle the challenges of the job. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and value of gaining hands-on experience. Whether you're stepping into the world of work or looking to deepen your knowledge in a particular area, remember that engaging directly with your learning can open up new pathways to success. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to practice, engage, and transform your understanding into practical skills. See you in the next video.